Coming to you for part 2 in the completion of the tent pad construction, the tent site, the permanent tent site. So here we are. I do have sand down now. I could probably use another 3 or 4 or 6 5-gallon buckets of sand, but within my time limit that I set and energy expansion, what I'm willing to do, this is probably about as good as it's going to get for now. Let's see if that's going to stay too dark. All right. I've got it leveled out. Didn't have to do this, but I put in some rocks here. Might put in some more later, or just as a way to keep down the weeds, the stobs and sticks. The little ground bushes that would grow in. Let's see. So I got it flattened out, leveled out with that, with the rake. Looks pretty good. What I ended up doing was putting down, since it's lighter, I put down just a tiny little layer of sawdust or wood shavings. And then I had some lower grade dirt sand mix that I put in on top of that. And then I came in with hopefully at least that much on the whole area of better quality sand. I didn't have to buy any of the sand, fortunately. I was able to source it locally from an on-site little sand pit. Anyway, there it is. It looks nice. Looks really nice right now. It will have pine cones and other debris that'll fall on it, but should be easily raked off with the rake. And I think people are good to go. I'm going to set up my tent on here, try it out, one that was given to me and that my boys will be sleeping in. So let's have a look at that. Alright, all set up. It's just a little 2-man tent, but it's ready to go. Nice and flat inside. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial.